In this courtroom proceeding, the court addresses a motion to revoke community supervision involving Imani Robinson, who was previously convicted of theft and placed on probation. The hearing begins with the judge confirming the defendant's identity and reviewing allegations that she failed to report to her supervision officer for several consecutive months. As the defendant pleads true to the violation, the court prepares to determine whether probation should be revoked or modified.
All right, they're going to go get that. While she's getting that, we'll begin. Court is calling 2024 CR 008663 State versus Imani Robinson. Can I have parties announced?
Galloway for the state.
David Andre Woodard from Ms. Robinson.
And are you Miss Robinson?
Yes, ma'am.
If you review the documents entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision and first motion to revoke community thank you. To revoke community supervision with your attorney, did you understand it? Okay. Are you the same Imani Renee Robinson who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 008663 for the offense of theft of property less than $2,500 with 2 or more convictions on December 5th, 2024 for a term of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Violation of condition number 4 in Fair County, Texas. The defendant, Imani Renee Robinson, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of May, June, July, August, September, and October 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How you plead to that, true or not true?
True.
Judge, we even abandon the remainder.
Any objections?
No objections, Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $2,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Judge, this is the defendant's first MTR. We are asking that the court deny the state's motion and alter and amend her conditions to include the hostility management course and a no contact order with Talian Mackey, and that is TALIAN MACKEY.
All right. So why hasn't she reported?
Judge, when I spoke with Imani regarding not reporting, I think what happened is the new offense had occurred. She knew that she would likely have a warrant, and I think she got fearful of reporting to probation. So instead of doing the...
As the hearing continues, the judge questions the defendant directly about her repeated theft offenses and failure to comply with probation requirements. The discussion highlights inconsistencies between the defendant's claims of financial hardship and the circumstances surrounding her prior arrest, including stolen alcohol and lifestyle spending. The judge challenges the explanation that theft was a necessity, emphasizing personal responsibility and the pattern of choices that led to repeated violations of the law.
Has learned her lesson and will definitely comply with probation. Has learned her lesson and will definitely comply with probation.
All right. So this is the 3rd time she's probably learned her lesson from stealing. Why do you keep stealing?
Before I wasn't in a better position than what I am now, and that was something that I picked up in a bad habit.
What, a bad habit of stealing?
Yes.
How do you develop a habit for stealing?
It was just something that I chose to do. It was a choice. And
But I'm just trying to figure out, how do you develop the habit for stealing?
It just happened, and
well, did you all plan? Did you all say, hey, let's go to Don and Ben's and take tequila?
Yep.
No, it wasn't anything like that. Like I said, I was in a bad predicament, and I was using that to like pay rent or do any, just making.
No, I don't know. Because, and let me just explain to you why I don't realize that.
Understand.
Because people will spend money on their wants, but not on their needs.
Right.
And what I'm reading in here, everybody in the vehicle was dressed to the nines. So obviously there was money for clothes, there was money for hair, there was money for nails, there was money for gold, there was money for gold grills, but then people are saying they're stealing for other things that I don't understand.
Right.
And then going to Dunn and Ben's, the officer said that the car smelled of marijuana, and you all just went to Dunn and Ben's grabbing tequila. So I don't understand when people say, "Oh, I needed rent." Who's out here buying stolen tequila?
I don't smoke, so I don't know.
No, I said, who's out here buying stolen tequila? Did you take orders where you just say, "Hey, anybody want tequila?" Because it's saying that you took
6 bottles.
yes, of tequila, 2 coconut bottles, reposado,
Yes.
and
Regular.
so see, she remembers. So why? So that you all could drink and have a good time. How old are you?
I'm 28. I was 7 then at the time, and that was just how I was making my money. There's no excuse for it. I'm not making no excuse for it. And like I said, that's something that I'm not doing anymore.
What you should have done is first, we're here now in this motion to revoke with months of not reporting. As the state mentioned, this is her first MTR. She has been on GPS monitor since the court set a bond for her, and she's had no issues on the monitor. So we're respectfully asking the court to follow the state's recommendation and try to get Ms. Robinson back on track so she can successfully complete her probation.
How old are you?
29.
All right, I'm going to give you a choice. These are your only choices. There are no other choices. 1, I can revoke you, and if there's no objection, I'll sentence you under 1244 to 300 days in the Bexar County Jail. Or 2, I continue you, and as a condition of your probation, you're going to do some jail time, and it'll be 30 days jail. Which do you prefer?
Judge, before she makes a decision,
All right, thank you.
let's go ahead and see.
What has your client decided?
Which decision are you going to do? Maureen?
On the record, let's keep it down.
30 days and continue on 300 days.
I want to be my 300.
All right. Oh, do you have the,
I think you have turn it into your first.
all right, can I have a trial court certification, please? All right, court is finding violation of condition number 4 true. Court will sentence you under, well, the court will revoke. Sentence you to 300 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Don and Ben's, BEN''S, BEN''S. There's to be no contact with Talon, I believe it's Talon McKee.
I believe that was the name the state put on the record, Judge.
All right, is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
All right, let's review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney. Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on community supervision. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thanks, Judge.
Thank you.
Judge, you're taking her to custody, right?
Yes.
Oh.
And I don't know, counsel, if she has anyone here that she has things she would like to give to them?
Yes, I thought ourselves, we're gonna do that. Give her enough, please.
Ultimately, the court finds the probation violation to be true and presents the defendant with a clear choice between continued supervision with jail time or full revocation. After consideration, the judge revokes community supervision and sentences the defendant to 300 days in the county jail, giving credit for time served. The hearing concludes with the judge advising the defendant of her limited appeal rights and ordering her taken into custody, reinforcing the message that probation is an opportunity, not a guarantee, and compliance is mandatory.